Good evening, Randolph families. This is Andrew Bell, the assistant principal, or one of the assistant principals for Randolph Middle School. I am responsible for being the master scheduler, so I'm going to go through some course registration information with you guys this evening. As you can see displayed, we're currently looking at the 6th grade course selection card. This video will be stepping through completion of the 6th grade course selection. If you are a rising 7th or 8th grade student, you can refer to your grade level counselor to assist you with completing those course registration cards, as they are different from 6th grade. Teachers in those classrooms, please go ahead and turn the video off so that they can begin that process. All right, 6th grade students, welcome to Randolph. We thank you very much for coming out tonight. We're going to go through this registration to make sure that you feel good and confident and know what electives you're going to be taking next year before you leave today, or at least what your selections have been. In the top left-hand corner where my cursor is, you should have a label with some of the information for your student. When we are working through course registration later, we are going to ask that you complete the rest of this demographic information on both sides, so that we have current information for this summer. Some of this may apply to you, some may not. Chances are, if you don't know what it is, then it's not likely to apply to you. If we come down here to the left-hand bottom corner, you see information over our required courses. These are our core classes that are required in the state of North Carolina, along with health and physical education. Down here in the notes is some additional information about course requests and schedule changes and how we go about those processes. If you look at these courses here, they all start with IB-MYP, which stands for International Baccalaureate Middle Years Program. These are all required courses for all students, and we will place them over the summer when we go through scheduling. The bulk of our time is going to be spent over here in sections 1, 2, and 3 for your elective choices. We'll begin with section 1. These are students' foreign language choices, or as we call them in IB, language acquisition. The exploratory course that students choose in 6th grade will be the same course that they continue with through 7th and 8th and likely on to high school. All students will be completing section 1. Section 2 will apply only to students who are interested in taking band or orchestra as a year-long course. Because band and orchestra is year-long, that would be the only additional elective students in 6th grade would take. By choosing band or orchestra, there is no other time throughout the school year to take any additional electives. If you complete section 2, you are to stop here and you are complete. If you are not interested in band or orchestra, you're going to be choosing your selections in section 3. We ask that you rank your choices from 1 to 3, with 1 being your first, second would be 2, and third would be 3. If you are unfamiliar with any of these course titles, you can reference the course descriptions on the back of your registration card. We will do our best to try to get students their first and second choices. However, due to availability, that may not always be the case. At this time, we're asked that you step through and complete section 1 for all students, section 2 for those who are interested in band or orchestra, and those students can stop and you are complete with course registration, and section 3 for students who did not complete section 2. Teachers, thank you so much for your time. Please assist families with any questions, and you can begin the next video once your families have completed the course registration on their cards. Thank you.